You're going to be able to find the rate of change in proportional and non-proportional relationships. First, let's take a look at the proportional relationship. On the left, the rate of change in a proportional relationship is called the constant of proportionality. We can abbreviate that by calling it the COP. Now, we know how to find K. We find K by using the formula K equals Y over X. I can pick any friendly point I want. Let's go ahead and pick 2, 2. When I pick that point, I'm going to get 2 over 2, which is Y over X, which is going to simplify 1. Now, if I look at the graph, at the point where the coordinate line intersects the y-axis, it's at 0, 0, which is the origin. That's how I know this is proportional. Now, in our non-proportional graph, it does not go through the origin, even though it's a straight line, but we find the rate of change that's called the slope. Now, when we're finding the slope, we're going to do rise over run. Rise, I'm going to go along the y-axis, and then we're going to go across the x-axis. When I rose, that was 2 units. And then for the run, that was also 2 units. When I simplify that, my slope is going to be 1. Now, at what point does the line intersect or cross the y-axis? The line crosses the y-axis right here at 0, 1. If it were proportional, it would go through the origin. Because it's not, it's going to have a y-intercept. For the next one, we're going to take a look at another graph. We're going to identify 2 friendly points. They've already been identified for us with the red dot. So now I'm going to do my rise, which is going to be along the y-axis. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for my rise over my run along the y-axis, it was 6. Because I went down 6, that is a negative 6. For my run, I'm going to go across to the other friendly point, and I did it once. Slope is represented by m. M equals negative 6.